If you were a noun. If You Were a Noun by Michael Dahl and illustrated by Sarah Gray. Noun, a word that names a person, a place, or a thing. Looking for nouns? Watch for the big, colorful words in the example sentences. If you were a noun, you would be a star, a cloud, an astronaut, or the moon. Let's blast off into the world of nouns. If you were a noun, you would be easy to spot. You would be a person, a place, or a thing. You could be an astronaut, preparing to fly into space in a spaceship. If you were a noun, you could be proper. A proper noun is a specific person, place, or thing. The first letter of a proper noun is always capitalized. A rocket flies out of Cape Canaveral in Florida. Names are proper nouns, so they are always capitalized. The first astronaut to walk on the moon was Neil Armstrong. If you were a noun, you could be a single thing. A noun that is one thing is a single noun. You could be one alien with one eye and one tentacle. If you were a noun, you could be more than one thing. A noun that is more than one thing is a plural noun. Some nouns change from singular to plural by adding an S to the end. You could be many aliens with many eyes and many tentacles. If you were a noun, you might change your shape. Some singular nouns have to change their shape when they become plural nouns. Galaxy becomes galaxies. Mouse becomes mice. Woman becomes women. If you were a noun, you might look the same whether you were a singular or a plural noun. 1 fish, 2 fish, 7 fish. How many fish do you see? If you were a noun, you might have more than one way to describe yourself. Some things have more than one plural noun to describe them. Clouds of space gas and dust are nebulas, or nebulae. Small, cool stars are red dwarfs, or red dwarves. If you were a noun, you could be a group or a collection of things. You would be a collective noun. You could be a crew of astronauts, or a constellation of stars, or a swarm of meteors, or a colony of space pioneers. You could grow, expand, and never stop. You could become an infinity of universes if you were a noun. The end.